9 years ago.
From foster care to homelessness, that's the path for many foster youth when they age out of the system. News Center 7's Dory Scheimer reports from Washington there's a new plan to make sure foster children land on their feet when they turn 18.
It's certainly no 18th birthday present. For foster youth, aging out of the system often means having nowhere to live.
It was scary because most of us don't have those connections. They don't have those family connections. If something goes wrong, they don't know who to turn to.
Jamal Callahan is now an advocate and motivational speaker. He spent 6 years in foster care, but when he aged out of the system, he didn't have much time to figure out housing.
After 6 months, whether you are self-sufficient or not, all our ties are cut.
We want to provide them assistance from 18 to 25.
There's new legislation that would fix what Congressman Mike Turner calls federally created homelessness.
HUD has no information on kids in foster care in the foster care program, and then they're handed the baton when these kids turn 18, and the kids are put at the end of the line for receiving assistance through HUD.
This bill would allow foster children to apply for federal housing assistance at 16 instead. It would also give them a list of preferences about where they want to live 6 months before aging out of the system.
There are so many foster families that work so diligently to give foster children an opportunity. We just certain that we don't waste it.
Health and Human Services estimates about 20,000 foster youth age out of the system every year. In Washington, Dory Scheimer, News Center 7.
The legislation has bipartisan support. Turner says he's working with Democrats to bring it to the floor for a vote soon.